Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow, 5th July. And the first stock is Dr. Reddy. You can see it has given breakout and did a pullback as well, and it bounced from here. So this we can buy at 5,600, and if you want to take risk then you can buy it for swing as well. Then we have PNC Infra. PNC Infra is holding after breakout within range of 10-15 points. So we can buy this above this high, which is around 299. So safe side we will take 300. Then we have JK Lakshmi. The volume is not good. Candles are also small, but there is no weakness, and you can buy this above 595. Then we have TTK Prestige. This we can buy above 9,470. The high of this candle. This is inside candle. Three candles in this inside this candle. So we can buy above this high 9,470. And stop loss you have to keep around 50.9420. Then we have Tasty Bite we can buy of 7,000. Oh sorry, it is 17 actually. So Tasty Bite we have to buy above 17,610. This is also a inside candle, and all these are intraday. Only Dr. Reddy if you want you can buy for the swing. Then we have Camps we can buy above this yesterday's high, which is 2886, or safe side above this big, which is 2950. And don't enter any trade within 5 minutes, like first 5 minutes. Then we have Bharat Dynamics. This is making a kind of cup and handle, this one and this one. So we can buy about 377, 78 it is coming, but safe side will buy about 380. Then we have Crompton, and Crompton you can buy about 456. Then we have BSC Limited. This we can buy about 980. This also you can buy for swing. It is already moved too much, but what you can do is you can keep stop loss below this trend line. So safe side keep around 900 and buy it. And for intraday we have to buy this above 980 only. Then we have CCL. CCL also has given a very long-term breakout. You can see this was its previous high in March 2017, and it has broken this with the consolidation. So this we can buy about 387, and we can buy this for intraday. Then we have Jyoti Lab. Jyoti Lab we can buy about 171. This has also broken this SR line. This was one high, this was one high, then here it consolidated. So above 171 we can buy, and we can buy this for swing as well, but you have to keep stop loss below this trend line. You can stretch this. Whenever it breaks you have to exit, and your target you may get around 184, 185, which is next resistance. Then we have Tata Chem, and Tata Chem also broken its previous swing high with a strong candle. This also we can buy, and ignore this price, this was the previous one. So this you can buy above 770, but possibly it will break in first 5 minutes. So this is best for actually for swing trade, and you have to enter after first 5 minute candle. You can enter for swing trade, you may get target somewhere around 800. So this is ideal for swing trade actually. In intraday you can see if it makes some price range and then it breaks, then you can enter. Otherwise this is best for swing trade. Then in cash stocks we have Kirloskar Ferrous. This we will buy up 292. Then we have Associate Alcohol, which we will buy up 511. SMS Pharma, though it has taken a long bigs and rejection, but keep in radar, we can buy this above 188. Then we have Balram Chini. This we can buy above 370. Amber is still the price is far, but we can buy this above 3050. Then we have TVS Select. This we can buy above 176. Triveni we can buy in intraday above 210. SHK we can buy above 187 when it breaks the previous swing high. Apart from this, Gensa Tech, this is also making a very good price pattern. I've suggested somewhere around 320 and then 330 as well for intraday. But now we can buy this above 350. It may give good move in intraday, and you can buy this for swing as well if it's sustained above 350. If you're a risky player, you can buy above day high 340 as well. It is possible in this move only it breaks 350. Then we have Camcon. Camcon, this we have to buy above 521 in intraday. And consigner, this is also making a good range. It may give a very good move, but you have to buy above 605, and you can buy this for swing as well. Then we have Fine Organic. This is also taking support around previous support level, and this we can buy above 2970 and buy it for swing only. So you can see from this high till this high, and it has retraced 60%, and exactly 60% FIBO it has bounced. So keep it simple, you have to buy about 2970 and stop loss below this 2780. That's it. You can buy it for swing. And some stocks which are at support, one I already explained, that is Fine Organic. Greaves Cotton, which I told in last video, it has exactly bounced from this 157 158 range. Aztec is also, I will not say it is a proper support because it has broken and candle also closed, so I will delete this. AV Capital, you can see this is at support area, so it may bounce and you have to keep stop loss below 110. The CMP is 170, and best is buy above day high. Then we have VGuard. This is, I already explained, this is also moving around sub previous breakout level. So this also you can buy. Heritage already bounced. Satlaj Textile. This is also, you can see this was the previous breakout zone and it is consolidating here. So this you can buy, but the best move will come and it breaks this range. Indian Nippon, same, it is around support area. It is trying to break this range. Spark already told as Paul. So what a new Blue Star, this is also making a range. So this you can buy above 850 level. And MHRIL, this is also. So problem is if around support area price can consolidate for long time. Like it can go up then come again down. So we don't know how much time it will take. That's why I prefer breakout. But if you want to buy at support, then you can buy for swings. Like if it moves from here to here 2-3%, you can book. Goa Carbon, Jubilee Industry, this we have to buy above this. Canfin, DVL, this is also in range. This we can buy above 610. Biennial India, yeah. This is also previous breakout level and it is consolidating. So best move will come when it moves above at least 160, this trend line. I will delete this. And Take Solution. So this is a very risky trade, but it may give good reward. So this was the zone 60 level, and this is below 60 you have to keep stop loss, and you can buy for target of at least 74 75. So that's it for tomorrow. Thank you everyone.